You're watching Review Box. Today we go to review solar security camera. 355 degrees pan 95 degrees tilt Wi-Fi camera. The PTZ security camera can turn 355 degrees horizontally, 95 degrees vertically, and 3x digital zoom, which cover a wide area range to make sure you can see anything happening around your home. And the Wi-Fi, it is totally waterproof so you can use any kind of weather. The outdoor security camera has a built-in 10,000 mAh high capacity battery. And the solar panel can provide non-stop solar power for the security camera. The wireless security camera frees you from cables and hassle and allows you to install or remove it easily. With Electronics app on your mobile phone, you can view or download what is happening around your home anytime and anywhere. PIR motion sensor and radar detection to double the control and reduce false alarms caused by rain or insects. 1080p Full HD and color night vision. The 1080p wireless outdoor camera for home security delivers exceptional visual performance backed by 2 infrared LEDs plus 2 white light LEDs, capturing relatively clearer and smoother videos than 720p security cameras. With advanced night, if you want to buy the solar security camera link given in the description box, please subscribe to the channel.